Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Besamsu. Today I will present about network programming, which is my individual project. Is HTTP protocol. Next is what is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Protocol Transfer Protocol. It used to structure a request and response over the internet. Required data to be transferred from one point to another over the network. And next, we must know about what is socket. Socket allow communication between two different processes on the same or different machine. A unit socket is used in a client-server application framework. A server is a process that performs some function on request from a client. Specifically, we will focus on TCP socket connection, which are fundamental part of socket programming since they are provide a connection-oriented service with both flow and congregation control. Next, I will demo the codes and the output.
Okay, let's continue to the simulation. Okay, this is the server and this one is the client. So let's check the code. Okay, for the server, I'm use port 8181. This is the HTTP protocol implement. HTTP run on the top of TCP and TCP implement in the network state of the OS. HTTP is used between a client and server. All web server implement the server side of HTTP in terms of application. This one. Next, I will show the HTTP implement. Okay, next is the socket. The first step is to create the socket. Function socket is create a socket and return the splitter which can be used in other function. This one. AFINet. AFINet is AFINet is argument for the IP address. For the source stream is for the TCP communication, and send 0 is for the default protocol. Next is the bind. Bind function is to bind the socket to the specific port. This one is the bind socket. Since our code is connection oriented, we need to set the socket to listen mode by using listen function. So, to accept active income connection from the client, we can use the accept function which create a socket for the particular session. In order to make the server keep listening to income connection, we need to use extract function inside the while loop. The while. Last, we decide to terminate the socket, we can use the close function and return 0. That's for the server. Okay, let's go to the client. Since this communication through the socket, here also we create the socket. Port number of the process and IP address both bundle in structure. We connect this with the socket. The next we go through the connect. The connect function system call connect the socket refer to the file descriptor. Is on sockets on socket connected, the server send hello message to client socket through the client socket descriptor. Here I will implement here next I will implementation. Here we go to exchange one hello message between server and client. I will demonstrate the client and server model. See, the connection is successful. This one from the server, let's say is hello from client. This is hello from hello message sent from the server. The server says hello, how are you? Let's check to the HTTP. Yes. This is from the client. Okay, let's change some little bit to the HTTP. first. I will compile first. Okay. I will run the server. See the client. See, the client says good morning, everybody. Let's check it. Yes. Perfect. Okay. That's all for me. Thank you.